Alrighty, y'all, I've got my pretzel crust complete. I'm gonna pop this into my oven at 350 for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna let her cool. Alrighty, in the meantime, while our crust is cooling, I'm just bringing in a bowl and my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake. My favorite, you guys. Oh, just look at that texture. Like, this is the real deal. How do they get it just like regular cheesecake, but without baking it? It's crazy. All right, now I'm coming in with my marshmallow floof, and I'm gonna add, look at it, I got my big old scooper here. I did pan my scooper, y'all, which is the secret of working with marshmallow floof, is to pan that scooper. Otherwise, you're gonna have a sticky, sticky mess. And I'm gonna get about 4 large scoops, so not quite as much as our cheesecake, but just enough for the flavor, the texture. Now I have everyone's favorite Swiss Miss milk chocolate cocoa powder. I've got 2 packets of this here, and we're just gonna get this going on in here. These are, y'all, these are my 3 favorite ingredients, my 3 favorite foods: Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, marshmallow floof, and then you just spice it up with a little bit of Swiss Miss milk chocolate hot cocoa powder. Coming back in with my spatula here, and we're gonna start giving this a good mix and incorporating it. Y'all, I'm sure some of you have heard of the frozen hot cocoa. It's a favorite of mine, and I just like how you can flavor other foods and things with hot cocoa as well. I mean, you can make yourself a hot cocoa ice cream. You could add this to some vanilla ice cream. You could bake it in a cake instead of like the regular traditional cocoa powder. The possibilities are endless, and you can just make something really delicious and fun. And especially around this time of year, you want to surprise and delight people with something a little bit new. You definitely have to try this. Alrighty, I'm bringing back in our crust here. I just was letting it very lightly set in the refrigerator, and I'm just gonna gently put in kind of a small layer to begin with of our chocolate cocoa floof. Y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. This is about to be your family's new favorite holiday treat. It smells incredible. Alrighty, y'all. We can't have the holidays without our Little Debbie Christmas trees. So I am just coming in with some of these gals. I was gonna call them these guys, but they are maybe more these gals since they're Little Debbie. I'm gonna place those into our dip here. Don't worry, we're not done. This is not the final result. All right, we've got the perfect Little Debbie snowflake here with our 6 Little Debbie trees. And I'm just gonna come in with the rest of my hot cocoa floof mixture. You know what? I was just thinking, there's a little marshmallows in this hot cocoa packet. So y'all, if you see a few little lumpy bumpies, it could just be a mini marshmallow that comes in the hot cocoa. Not to worry. Alrighty, now we're just coming in with our Cool Whip. This is just the small 8-ounce container, thawed of course. And I'm gonna start just placing some dollops around. You definitely wanna make sure that I'm able to kind of fill in any gaps around the edges here. And don't worry, this is all gonna come together so beautifully. Y'all, this is such a delicious, easy, no-bake holiday treat. Everyone loves Little Debbie's, Little Deborah's. They're one of America's just favorite holiday traditions, and this is such a fun, easy way to incorporate them into your holiday festivities and food decor. All right, now I've got an extra Little Deborah here, and I am just going to crumble. We're still gonna see her beautiful little sprinkles. It's kind of gonna give the hint that there's Little Deborah inside without just a plain old full tree on top. Y'all, look at this sponginess. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to bite into this later. This is gonna be so delicious. Alrighty, we're gonna finish this off with some holiday sprinkles in the same color scheme as our little Deborah. Perfect. Of course, some people don't like sprinkles like Marty, but that's okay. This isn't Marty's recipe, it's mine. So I'm using them because I love them. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this into my freezer for 2 hours and then we're gonna be ready. All right, we just had our little Deborah frozen hot cocoa pie in the freezer for 2 hours. And now I'm just gonna undo our spring form here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh yeah. Look at this gorgeous, our pretzel crust with butter. You can just see a tiny hint of that little Deborah. We've got the frozen hot chocolate dip inside. We've got our Cool Whip just on top, those pieces, and our sprinkles. Ooh, I cannot wait to see what this looks like on the inside. I feel the tree in there. If you guys have any advice how to make that pretzel crust just stick together a little bit better, I would love your advice in the comments. Oh, let's pull this out though. Oh my gosh! That looks incredible! Wow! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Justine, would you want to take a bite of this?
Yeah. I am so excited. Oh, I'm just gonna get a big bite because I'm really, really hungry. And look at those salty pretzels.
Is this one a winner?
Oh yeah.
Little Deborah freezer cake. You gotta try it.